Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Rose. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a voiceover makeup tutorial, and this is the look here. Really fall pumpkin spice type of makeup look, and I am trying out a few new products that I have not tried before. One of them is the Plouise palette. This is the original palette. I cannot wait for the second palette to come out, and also some gerardcosmetics goodies that I have never tried before. So the setting spray, lip liner, bullet lipstick. I'm a huge fan of their Hydra Mattes, so I just wanted to try out lipstick, and finally got my hands on the, I forgot the name of the palette. But it's the one with all of the highlighters, and it has my favorite, which is Marilyn, which is right there. So I am using Marilyn and Lucy on my face today. So yeah, that's what we're doing. If you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and also follow me on all of my other social media platforms. And now we can get into this makeup tutorial.
Alright you guys, let's get to this tutorial. So, gonna go in with the Plouise palette. Base is on, Plouise base in shade 1. Brows are done as well. I actually forgot what brow thing I used. I think it was the Morphe brow pencil. So the first shade I go in with is Plouise. I go ahead and I use that as my transition shade, and I do start off with a little, and then I work my way up and build the intensity of the shade. Once I have that blended out how I want it, I go in with the next shade, which is called Sonny Cosmetics. You guys, these shades, you see, very pigmented. A little goes a long way, and I just continue going back and forth, circular motions, and I go back and forth with the first two shades just to make sure everything is blended out nice and even how I want it, and so that it has a nice transition. Now we go in with the third shade, and this one is called Burnt. This one is more of a reddish orange shade, and I am using this to deepen up the crease a little bit more, giving it more of a orangey undertone. I really was going in with pretty much like a pumpkin spice kind of look. So yeah, I went in with that, and again, back and forth with blending just to make sure everything is nice and, you know, transitional into each other. And then the last shade that I use to kind of give that warmth and a little bit more deepness into the crease and outer corners, I'm using the shade Latte. Latte is pretty much one of the most popular shades in the Plouise palette. It is the most perfect milk chocolate brown, and as you guys see here, I'm putting it in the inner corner, outer corner, and the crease just to warm it up and define everything a lot more before we go in with our lid shade. Now, just showing it to you guys so you guys can see here. And then before I go in and put the lid shade, I go in with a little bit more of the Plouise base and lighten up the lid area that I want. We did a halo wide, just so you guys know. But see, you guys see here, I'm just pretty much, you know, adding it, and then I do blend out the edges. And then the shade that I take, I think it's Slay if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so yeah, you'll see here, that's the shade Slay, and I pop that onto the base that I just put. And again, blending the edges out with latte so everything can be nice and blended and seamless. And then liner and lashes I do off camera because you guys know I can never be in focus with that. I use Purcosmetics lashes in bombshell. So right now we're gonna go in with the face and give you guys a little bit of the face routine. So I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin foundation in the shade 4.0, and yes, I know it's gonna be a little light, but we make it work. Okay. And then we go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and then we go in with the Elf bronzer kit, and I go ahead and I use my gerardcosmetics highlighters and lips and everything else. So from here on out, you guys pretty much know the routine, how I do my face. If you don't, I do have a foundation routine, so you guys can go ahead and check that out after this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, I don't know what the hell you waiting for, but hit that subscribe button, put those notifications on, which is the bell. Hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. Alright, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and follow me on all of my other social media platforms. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna let this video just rock out with some music. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see ya in the next one.